Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for something to get your little guy off of his electronics and out there playing? Look no further. This toy bow and arrow set from OWNONE might be exactly what you're looking for. It might be perfect for your little boy or girl to get them outside, get them active, and maybe have a little skill involved in it. My son really liked the bow and arrow part of it and the target practice. He is very into survival. He's 11 years old and he really wants to learn how to do this and hone his skills. So I thought that this would be perfect for him just to kind of learn some target practice. I like how well this product is made and how easy it was to put together. It all came in one box and he put it together himself. I didn't have to even read the instructions to him. He just figured it out. So that was really nice. It comes with everything that you see here and everything is very sturdy. So when he's shooting the arrows at the target, it's not knocking it over. And I liked that. I liked how sturdy it was. Everything sticks to the target very well. It comes with a little blow gun also and some other little dart type things that you can shoot at it, which is fun. But he was very into the bow and arrow aspect of it. Again, I like how everything is made. He's not known for being very easy on his toys. He's kind of rough with his toys sometimes, but this is held up to him and our crazy life, so I liked that aspect of it also. So this little archery set is wonderful. It taught my son some skills. He had a lot of fun, and it got him off of his electronics. Everything I wanted. But that's just my point of view.